Thank you for joining me. I am Dr. Nitin. In this video, I will illustrate the benefits of using OneDrive or Teams to store your files. Storing files on local drives, desktop, or My Documents is not efficient. Storing files on Microsoft OneDrive solves all these problems and more. I strongly recommend that all the new files you create should be stored on OneDrive. Even if you store a file on OneDrive, a local copy is always available on the PC. You can edit it without an internet connection. The file will sync whenever you get connectivity. In Windows File Explorer, the status icon shows the availability of the file. If you want to save space but still want to see the file, use the Free Up Space option. On the mobile OneDrive app, all files are cloud only. You must manually save files offline as needed. Using OneDrive and the Office mobile app, you can edit files on mobile phones and tablets as well. Once a file is saved to OneDrive, you never have to save it manually again. Why is that? Because the changes you make are automatically saved using the autosave feature. This minimizes file corruption. The most important benefit is sharing. If you send an attachment, you are making a copy of the original file. If you send a link, the file remains with you and people come and edit the file. Sharing a link can be done from within Microsoft Office apps. Click the Share button and choose the correct option. If you want an anonymous link, use the Anyone with a Link option. But usually, we want to send it to specific people. While sending the file, you can choose whether they can edit it or it is read-only. Typically, things like Excel reports are sent as read-only. If required, you can prevent others from downloading the file as well. Click the Apply button and then specify the email IDs of your recipients. You can include external participants as well, like your customers, dealers, or distributors. Anonymous links can be forwarded to other people. But if you have sent a link to specific email IDs, even if they forward that link, it's not going to work for others. That is why sending a link is safer than sending an attachment. Multiple people can edit the document at the same time if required. Everyone can see who is editing and what they are editing in real time. People often ask me this question, will I know who changed what? The answer is, it depends on the tool which you are using to edit. In any case, what happens if someone makes a mistake or some deletion happens? OneDrive automatically stores past versions. You can restore from the previous versions anytime to recover from mistakes. Even though 500 versions are stored, only the base file size is counted against the OneDrive quota. OneDrive also protects against ransomware attacks. In OneDrive settings, choose the Restore Your OneDrive option. Move the slider to a day prior to the attack, and then OneDrive will restore previous versions of all files automatically. The files you send to each other in Teams chat are automatically stored on OneDrive. Because of this, all the benefits of OneDrive are also available for Teams chat files. We often work on projects as part of a team. Files created for projects should not be stored on OneDrive. Instead, create a team in Microsoft Teams and add channels. Store the files in the Channels File tab. This way, files are always available to all team members without even sending a link to them. For storing videos, Microsoft 365 has a special app called Stream. Videos stored on Stream get an automatic searchable transcript using AI. These languages are currently supported. Here is a summary of all the benefits you get of storing files on OneDrive or Teams. Depending on the context, choose the right tool to store your files and work efficiently as well as safely. If you found this video useful, do share it with your friends and colleagues. That is all for now. Thank you.